The assign fire alarm address to assigns a value to the TK mark parameter for the fire alarm devices based on the device's assigned panel and circuiting sequence. Before using this tool, fire alarm devices should be circuited and assigned to the designated FACP connection. Place a fire alarm equipment. Pick the fire alarm equipment FACP connection family. Enter the name of the circuit to the panel name parameter, for example, P5V5. Place fire alarm devices in the model. Click the fire alarm circuit button. Assign it to P5V5. Repeat this step until all fire alarm devices are circuited. A fire alarm loop and sequence logical system is established in the model. To comply with this workflow, each fire alarm circuit should not contain more than one device. Create a panel schedule for P5V5 circuit. Verify that all devices have been added to the loop. When the assigned fire alarm address tool is run, each circuit fire alarm device will be assigned an address to the TK mark parameter according to the circuit number sequence in the panel following this standard. Run the assigned fire alarm address tool. This tool has two modes. One calculates the address for signal line circuit. The other are notification devices. All circuit fire alarm device has been assigned an address. If the layout is changed, simply order the device sequence in the panel schedule. Device address is calculated based on the sequence of the devices on the panel, not the actual circuit number. It is perfectly fine to have spaces between the devices. Run this tool again. The device address is recalculated.